90 students were asked about their greatest concerns for their adult lives. They were given 4 choices and the outcomes are shown in the table below. So we can see of the 90 students, 5 thought that pensions were the biggest concern. So we want to draw a pie chart. We know that there's 360 degrees in a circle and we have 90 students. So if we do 360 divided by 90, that gives us 4. And that tells us we need 4 degrees per student. So 5 times 4 means that this needs to be 20 degrees. Times this one by 4, so this one has to be 80 degrees. Times 4 is 160 degrees. And times 4 is 100 degrees. So I'm not going to get a protractor out, I'm just going to sort of guesstimate. And 160 degrees I'm going to say is about there. So that's my 160 degrees. And this one is education and training. 20 degrees very neatly makes up 180, so it gives me a reference down there. And that's pensions. And then we've got 180, so 100 is going to be just a bit above the 90 up there. So if this one's 100 degrees and this one's 80 degrees, that means this one is job security and this one down here is housing costs. Okay. So now we have 90 people in their 40s were asked the same question and their results are shown in the second pie chart. So actually this one is the people in their 40s and this is the students from part 1. What's indicated about the difference in concerns? So all you need to do here is make some comments. The one that really stands out is pensions. Look at the big difference. Once people are in their 40s, they're thinking more about what's going to happen when they retire, which isn't surprising. You know, students are in maybe their early 20s. There was a bigger concern here with housing costs, and that's because these people were probably already on the housing ladder. So there are various things you can comment about, but as I said, I think the biggest difference is in pensions, and that's the one you should go for first.